Welcome back. Today we're solving this order of operations problem. 2 plus 50 divided by 2 times open parentheses 3 plus 7 close parentheses. Many people get tricked by the order of multiplication and division. Let's see the common trap before solving it properly. So, a very common mistake happens after resolving the parentheses to 10. People multiply 2 times 10 first to get 20, because they believe multiplication always outranks division. Then 50 divided by 20 gives 2.5, resulting in 4.5. But multiplication and division share equal priority and must be worked from left to right. According to PEMDAS, we must always evaluate the operation inside the parentheses first. That means our very first step is calculating 3 plus 7. Step 1. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Substituting 10 back in simplifies our expression to 2 plus 50 divided by 2 times 10. Next, we have division and multiplication, which outrank addition. Since division and multiplication have equal precedence, we work strictly from left to right, meaning division comes first. Step 2. Divide 50 by 2. 50 divided by 2 equals 25. Now our expression becomes 2 plus 25 times 10. Step 3. Multiplication outranks addition, so we multiply 25 by 10 next. 25 times 10 equals 250. Now we have our final addition, 2 plus 250. Step 4. Add 2 plus 250. 2 plus 250 equals 252. So our true final answer for question 1 is 252. Now let's move on to our second problem. Open parentheses 2 plus 1, close parentheses, plus 4 squared times open parentheses 5 minus 3, close parentheses. Let's break it down step by step using PEMDAS. Step 1. According to PEMDAS, we must evaluate both sets of parentheses first. 2 plus 1 equals 3, and 5 minus 3 equals 2. This simplifies our expression to 3 plus 4 squared times 2. Step 2. Exponents come next in the order of operations. 4 squared equals 16. Replacing 4 squared with 16 gives us 3 plus 16 times 2. Step 3. Multiplication outranks addition, so we multiply 16 by 2 first. 16 times 2 equals 32. Now our expression is simply 3 plus 32. Step 4. Add 3 and 32. 3 plus 32 equals 35. So our true final answer for question 2 is 35. Let's now solve our third problem. 24 minus 36 divided by open parentheses 4 times 3, close parentheses, plus 2 squared. Let's follow PEMDAS strictly from top to bottom. Step 1. Start with the operation inside the parentheses. 4 times 3 equals 12. Substituting 12 back into our expression leaves us with 24 minus 36 divided by 12 plus 2 squared. Step 2. Evaluate the exponent term. 2 squared equals 4. Replacing 2 squared with 4 gives 24 minus 36 divided by 12 plus 4. Step 3. Division takes priority over subtraction and addition. 36 divided by 12 equals 3. This simplifies our expression to 24 minus 3 plus 4. Step 4. Subtraction and addition share equal priority, so we work strictly from left to right. 24 minus 3 equals 21. Now we are left with 21 plus 4. Step 5. Add 21 plus 4. 21 plus 4 equals 25. So our true final answer for question 3 is 25.